Dialogue 1.
Everyday conversation between a husband and wife at home in the morning.
Good morning, honey.
Good morning, sweetheart. How did you sleep?
I slept well, thanks. How about you?
I slept great. I'm feeling refreshed and ready for the day.
That's good to hear. I'm making breakfast. What would you like?
I'll have some eggs and toast, please.
Okay, coming right up.
So, what's on your agenda for today?
I have a meeting at work at 10 o'clock, and then I'm running some errands. What about you?
I have a few meetings this morning, and then I'm working on a presentation for next week.
Well, good luck with that.
Thanks. I'm sure I'll need it.
Here you go, honey. Eggs and toast.
Thanks, sweetheart. This looks delicious.
You're welcome.
They eat breakfast in silence for a few minutes.
So, I was thinking about going to the movies tonight. Do you want to come with me?
Sure, that sounds fun. What movie were you thinking of seeing?
I don't know. Maybe that new comedy that just came out.
Okay, that sounds good.
Great. I'll pick you up at 7 o'clock.
Sounds good.
They finish breakfast and get ready for the day.
Dialogue 2.
Husband and wife are sitting on the couch in their living room, watching TV.
Hey, can you turn down the volume? I'm trying to read.
Oh, sure. Sorry about that.
So, what did you do at work today?
Not much. The usual. I had a few meetings, and then I worked on that presentation that I have to give next week.
How's it going?
It's going okay. I'm still not sure if it's good enough, but I'll figure it out.
I'm sure it will be great. You're always so well prepared.
Thanks. So, what about you? What did you do today?
I just ran some errands and then I cleaned the house. I'm getting ready for my parents to come over next weekend.
Oh, right. I forgot about that.
Don't worry. I've got everything under control.
I'm sure you do.
They both watch TV in silence for a few minutes.
So, what do you want to do for dinner tonight?
I don't know. What do you want?
I'm in the mood for pizza.
Okay, pizza it is.
Great. I'll call and order one.
The husband gets up and goes to the phone.
Hey, can I ask you a question?
Sure. What is it?
What's the best thing about being married to you?
The best thing about being married to you is that you always know how to make me smile.
I'm glad.
The husband finishes ordering the pizza and comes back to the couch.
Okay, the pizza should be here in about 30 minutes.
Great. I'm hungry.
Me too.
They both continue watching TV, laughing and talking together.
Dialogue 3.
Conversation between a husband and wife at home in the evening.
Hey honey, I'm home.
Hey. How was your day?
It was good, but long. How was yours?
It was okay. I just ran some errands and then cleaned up the house.
I'm glad you had a relaxing day.
Thanks. What do you want to do for dinner?
I don't know. What are you in the mood for?
I'm not sure. Maybe we could just order something.
Sounds good to me. What do you want?
I think I'll get a pizza. What about you?
I'll get a burger.
Okay. I'll call and order now.
Wife calls and orders dinner.
The pizza and burger should be here in about 30 minutes.
Great. In the meantime, why don't we watch some TV?
Okay. What do you want to watch?
I don't know. What's on?
There's a new episode of our favorite show on.
Perfect.
They turn on the TV and watch their favorite show until dinner arrives.
The pizza and burger are here.
Great. Let's eat.
They eat dinner and watch TV.
That was delicious.
I know. I'm glad we ordered in tonight.
Me too. It was a nice way to relax after a long day.
Yeah. What do you want to do now?
I don't know. Maybe we could just talk and spend some time together.
Sounds good to me.
They talk and spend time together until they go to bed.
Dialogue 4.
Hi, honey, I'm home.
Hi, honey. Welcome home. Dinner will be ready in a few minutes.
How was your day?
It was good. I went to the grocery store and then spent the afternoon cleaning up the house.
I appreciate it. I know you've been working hard.
Thanks. I don't mind. I like having a clean house.
It looks great.
Thanks.
So, what's for dinner?
I'm glad you asked. I made your favorite.
My favorite. You're the best wife a guy could ask for.
Thanks, honey.
Dinner is served and they start to eat.
This is delicious. You're an amazing cook.
Thanks. I'm glad you like it.
So, how was work today?
It was busy, but good. I have a big presentation tomorrow, so I'm a little nervous.
I'm sure you'll do great. You're always so well prepared.
Thanks, honey. I appreciate the support.
So, what are we doing after dinner?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
We're always asking each other that.
I know. But it's nice to have a choice.
True.
They continue to eat and talk about their day.
I'm so glad I have you.
I'm glad I have you too.
They kiss and then go to relax together.
I'm so tired.
Me too. I'm glad it's almost bedtime.
I wonder what the weather will be like tomorrow.
It's supposed to be sunny and warm.
That sounds perfect. I'd love to go for a walk in the park.
Me too. We haven't done that in a while.
We should also go grocery shopping tomorrow. We're running low on milk and eggs.
Okay. I'll make a list tonight.
What are you making for dinner tomorrow night?
I'm thinking about making lasagna.
Lasagna sounds great. I love your lasagna.
Thanks. I'm glad you do.
I'm so lucky to have you.
I'm lucky to have you too.
They kiss.
I'm going to brush my teeth.
Okay. I'll be there in a minute.
A few minutes later.
I'm ready for bed.
Me too.
They turn off the light and go to sleep.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found the video helpful, please share it with your friends. I'm always working to create new and exciting content, so stay tuned for more. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a thing. Thanks again for watching.